Good morning, students. Hope you all are safe and doing good. So, students, today I am going to explain you the sex-linked inheritance. So, what is the sex-linked inheritance? So, always remember it is the appearance of a trait or a character which is due to the presence of an allele on the X chromosome or the Y chromosome. So, it is written also that it is the appearance of a trait which is due to the presence of an allele due to the X chromosome and Y chromosome. So, you know that females have the XX chromosome and males have XY chromosome. So, what is X-linked inheritance? So, X-linked inheritance, what happened in this X-linked inheritance? Certain genes or the genes which show the certain characters are present on the X chromosome only. They are or their alleles are absent on Y chromosome. So remember the few characters of genes that are present on the X chromosome, they are absent on the Y chromosome, and if they pass from parents to the offspring or from one generation to another generation, they lack the character, because if the Y pass, so Y do not have the X linked characters or certain gene character, so it will lack. So remember always that gene of certain characters, they are present only in the X chromosome. So that inheritance where only X chromosome contain the trait or the allele, it is called X linked inheritance. So it causes certain disorders. So certain disorders that is caused due to the heredity, such as hemophilia. There are two diseases, hemophilia and color blindness. So these two diseases, hemophilia and color blindness, they are just commonly occur in the males. They are most common in the males than the females. So such defects are due to the recessive gene. So underline this line. Such defects are due to the recessive gene, and which is present on the X chromosome, which is not present in the Y chromosome. So as you know, why it is common in the males, because males contain XY chromosome, whereas female contain the XX chromosome. So I told you this X linked inheritance is related to the X chromosome. So certain genes are present on the X chromosome, but in the case of males, they have only X chromosome. They also have the Y chromosome. So on Y chromosome, that allele is absent, and females have XX chromosome, whereas male have single X and another one is Y. So that's why it is mostly common in the males than the female, both the diseases. Hemophilia is related to the it is a genetic disorder. It is related to the it is also called as bleeder disease, and in this blood lack the clotting factor, so blood is fails to clot in case of hemophilia. Whereas in the color blindness, it is also a hereditary inherited disease which offspring get from the parents, and in this disease individual is unable to differentiate between the colors, mostly red and green color, so they are unable to distinguish. So in the sense organs chapter, as you can see, it is also written here. I have just shown you the Ishihara cards for checking the colored blindness. So on the dotted cards, or in a camouflage manner, the numbers are written. So if you are unable to see those numbers in that Ishihara cards, so you can easily you are not easily get that you are not color blindness. But if you find any difficulty in reading numbers in between the cards or in between the pattern, so you are color blindness. So remember this, both the diseases occur due to the recessive gene which is present in the X chromosome, and it is commonly occur in the males than the females. So the few cases are given. So the following cases are given. So you, in the next slide I will show you. There are 3 cases are given. of related to this linked chromosomes of the color blindness or hemophilia in the humans. So it is also called as crisscross inheritance. This X linked is also called as crisscross. It is written also here that inheritance of X linked genes as in color blindness and hemophilia is also called crisscross inheritance. So it can be occurred from mother to the son and father to the daughter. Crisscross manner it is going on. You can see that this box. So this is because the son may get it from the carrier mother, because mother is a female, okay, it has this XX, but from the case, in the case 2 you will understand that mother can be a carrier. So first let's see the cases. So here you can see in this slide which is given on the page number 29 in your book, you can see 3 cases are given. So first case is about the heterozygous. Heterozygous, mother is normal, you can see XS, and father is color blind. So this not X not Y, X means father is color blind. So when a cross will become a Punnett square will become the between the mother, normal mother, and the color blind. So what we will get the 4 conditions. So according to the 4 conditions, daughter will be the heterozygous dominant. You can see the carrier daughter, normal son, carrier daughter, normal son. So sons will be the normal, okay, even though they have the XY. But when we will do this Punnett square, they will get the normal gene, and the daughters will be the carrier. So from the father only the daughter is getting, or from the father only daughter become the carrier. So here it is written in this crisscross, you can understand that male father is just giving this inheritance to daughter, and mother is giving to the son. So if the mother, suppose this daughter, carrier daughter, again they have the genes for this hemophilia, so their sons can be become this color blindness. Now none of the children is color blindness, but daughters are carriers of the defective, okay, because you know they have the daughters are just simply the carrier, okay, they carry the genes which they can show, which gene can show in the next generation, but not in their life, because you know, because they have the dominant X gene also. So in the case 2 you can see here mother is the carrier and father is the normal. So when we will do the crisscross method or hybridization method, or by doing the Punnett square, so what we will see that one daughter will be carrier and one son will be color blindness, and these one daughter and son will be normal. So by doing the Punnett square you can do this case. You should know these sequences, okay, these conditions you should know, then only you are able to. Now think of the possibility of a marriage between carrier woman XX and color blind man. So there is a possibility of a birth of a color blind daughter. So it can be, you can say yes it is. So you can do the Punnett square by yourself and you can do. So yes, it is a possibility of giving a birth of a color blind daughter. Daughter can be carrier. So 25% will be color blind, 25% daughter and 25% of son will be color blind, and 25% of a daughter or will be carriers, and 25 son will be normal. So how it will come, you just try to solve, okay, or we can or I will discuss in the Zoom class too. So here it is about the X linked inheritance which cause the 2 diseases. In a homework, please do this progress check, solve this progress check. So thank you and have a nice day. God bless you all. Thank you.